disappointing. It's highly disappointing. Nina masomale ngenibonga seniphumile zinja ngithi mina njengamanje ngoba sila kwi-embassy you are allowed to be here in this country legally and also being an ambassadors, but they will flatter.
They will flatter.
What is important is a straightforward message that your people that you are being grouping together say that you are representing your Somalis in South Africa. They are doing crime in all the cities of this country. All corners of Amalogishi, they are there. All corners of our cities, they are there. They are sleeping in their shop. They are and poison food. I'm telling you straight right now. Can you please, before the 30th of June, can you all people Hambakaya? No, you are trying to group yourself. You intimidated us and say that Nina nizokwenza nizohlangana niqhumisa ngamabhomu usho nina enkulumeni nibhale phansi basitholekelile phela no AI usitholekelile nathi undabandaba la uyena okunquma umhla ka30 uzoyibona ufana nobani. We got a death threat around ourselves. We don't care. Christians have died in the dawn of democracy, but the liberation movement never allow us to continue to fight. We are not gonna tolerate the nonsense as the result of us, our death. But now we are here to tell you straight that we are sick and tired with the Somalians, with the Pakistanians, with the Nigerians and all illegal immigrants in this country. You have crowned your king in Sentin. I was there, present. I saw you. And then after that, you intimidated us. After that, and then you use even the symbol of revolutionary country, revolution country called South Africa, and you put our coat of arms in your logo, in your association. Then you are threatening South Africa that you are going to lead to be the mayor of this country and to be the president of this country. Why don't you do all your skill and calling us lazy? Why all your skill you have to do and to mistake in your own country? It's rubbish. We are here to respect the rule of law. If it was not according to the rule of law, we should have entered here and see to walk around pants. As we are here, we want to make sure that you hear us. The memorandum is on our mouth. It's not on paper, because we have marched more than 10 times, more than 100 times in producing memorandums. And what happens? Zero. And I would ask my brothers and sisters here to have a voice, because we are marching all over South Africa and we are not being heard. Our president is quiet. Only Panyaza is making sense to this country. Mind you, is in Gauteng, and action must be taken. And we don't want you. We hate you. We hate you now. When you made us to hate you. We love our African brothers, but you made us to hate you. So can you now leave us in peace? Can you make sure, please? I appreciate if you can go.